Form 4506-T lets you request a free transcript of your tax return from the IRS, often needed for a mortgage, a student loan, or to verify income. It's not the full copy. It's a summary sent to you or a third party. Here's how to request one. Lines 1A and 1B. Your name and social security number exactly as they appeared on the return you're asking about. If it was a joint return, line 2 is for your spouse. Line 3 is your current address. If you've moved since you filed, line 4 is for the address on that old return. It has to match what the IRS has on file. Line 6 is the form number you filed, usually 1040. Then check the type: a return transcript, an account transcript, or a record of account, which combines both. Anna checks record of account. Line 9 is the period you need. Written month, day, year. December 31st, 2024 for a full tax year. You can request up to 4 periods on one form. Sign and date the form. The IRS won't process it without your signature. Then click Done to download. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.